In a landmark judgment, the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Chennai has set aside the order passed by the Commissioner of Customs, Chennai 2, in the case of Appellant versus Commissioner of Customs, Customs Appeal number 40724 of 2024. The case revolved around allegations of undervaluation and misdeclaration of imported goods, with penalties imposed on multiple appellants under Sections 114 and 112, b. 2, of the Customs Act, 1962. The tribunal found that the rejection of transaction value and subsequent redetermination of value were based on inadmissible evidence, including coerced statements recorded under Section 108 of the Customs Act and questionable emails allegedly retrieved during the investigation. CESTAT emphasized that the mandatory provisions of Section 138B of the Customs Act, which require proper examination and cross-examination of witnesses, were not followed, rendering the statements inadmissible. The tribunal relied on key case citations, including Ambika International vs. Union of India, 2018, 361, ELT 90, P&H, High-Tech Abrasives Limited vs. Commissioner of C.X. and Cus. Raipur, 2018, 362, ELT 961, Chhattisgarh, and Jindal Drugs Pvt. Limited vs. Union of India, 2016, 340, ELT 67, P&H, to highlight the importance of adhering to procedural safeguards under Section 138B. Ultimately, the tribunal ruled in favor of the appellants, setting aside the penalties and differential duty demands, and reaffirming the importance of fair and lawful investigation practices. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.